In a world where everything is instant, instant noodles, instant likes, instant replies, instant answers, waiting has become rare. But what if I told you that the key to long term success, happiness, and self mastery lies in one powerful habit, and that habit is called delayed gratification? Delayed gratification means resisting the temptation of an immediate reward in favor of a bigger, long term reward. It's like saying no for now so you can say yes forever later. In a famous psychological test, kids were given one marshmallow and they were told, you can eat it now or you can wait 15 minutes and get two later. The kids who waited, they ended up with better life outcomes, academically, socially, or even financially. Every time you choose to study instead of binge watching, every time you choose to save money instead of spending on impulse, every time you choose to wake up early to work on your goals, you are practicing delayed gratification. And over time, these small choices compound into extraordinary results. Your brain loves instant dopamine hits, but the prefrontal cortex, the decision making part, helps you think long term. The more self control you practice, the stronger this part gets. It's literally like building a muscle. Now, the real question is how one can build this habit. Tip number one, visualize your future reward. See your goal clearly, the job, the degree, the lifestyle, and remind yourself why you are resisting this short term pleasures in the first place. Tip number two, start small. Delay small pleasures. I'm not telling you to start with a very big thing on your day one because you'll fail, and I don't want you to fail. So start with small things like wait for 10 minutes before checking your phone, and you can build further from there. Tip number three, reward yourself strategically. Because you don't have to suffer, you just have to balance. And reward that comes after effort creates discipline, guys. It creates discipline. So please just follow the tips and you can literally practice delayed gratification. The most successful people aren't the smartest. What a relief, right? They just know the game. They are just aware how to delay pleasure, how to stay focused, how to be patient. Because the real growth, it takes time. It's not overnight. It takes time. And when you master delayed gratification, you just don't change your habits. You change your destiny. And if this message resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep building.